Hello Nation! Hey, it's Kevin here, and I just got another fantastic toy from Honda Power Equipment, and I want to show you guys. So let's unbox this thing. This is an amazing machine. This is something that is built to last. What we have here is Honda's all-new HRN series lawnmower. It includes a self-charging electric key start for effortless starting every time you mow. And it has an adjustable smart drive, so you can easily adjust the mower speed to match your stride. New powerful engine that allows you to cut through heavy, thick grass with a smooth cut. Honda has a legendary reliability and quality from a brand that you can trust. Love my Honda Power Equipment.